So one thing I've been doing a lot of lately is working on this turnaround. All right, I've been working on it in F sharp, but let me show it to you in the key of F. All right, so you're going down to the 6th chord, and notice I'm going to approach every, it's a 1, 6, 2, 5. Sometimes it could be 3, 6, 2, 5, but I'm always going to approach by a half step above. So a half step above, half step above, half step above. Sometimes I go below too. Now this is a great way to work on some rootless voicings with your right hand. You could go altered on the 6th chord, and then unaltered here, and then maybe use partially altered there. All right, and what did I do? I used the shape 2 again, and then either shape 1 or shape 3. All right, now other ways. So there I kind of reversed everything. I went unaltered here with shape 1, and then altered there. It's still the same shape, but now it's functioning as an altered chord. And here it would be functioning as unaltered, though if you change to shape 2, you'll get altered. Now, does shape 1 automatically give you altered and shape 2? No, not at all. It depends on the bass note, because, if you're doing this one, shape 1 is unaltered, but if you do A flat, then it's altered. And if you're doing these little things a half step above, like that. See, first it's altered, and then on the A flat, it's actually unaltered. And then unaltered, altered. Okay? So if you're having trouble understanding this stuff, now I've done a lot of videos recently about the rootless voicing, so check those out. Now, the other way is, of course, come down here and do it a little bit lower. That time I had altered there. I went to a minor here. Not so good, but it's jazz. You can have a moment of stuff that doesn't make harmonic sense. If I'd done altered, then it works. But if you're doing the bass line and the chords, you can adjust for it. You could go like that, or now. Also practice your improv. Now, I'm just using blues scale exclusively. There's another blues scale. So I want to mix them up and see if I can get them both in there. See, right there, that kind of looks like a D blues scale, but that's the F major blues scale. So, interchange these two blues scales. This one, and this one. See, I switch back and forth. Little bit in F sharp there. Have a great day, everyone.